guys, it's Shalaya Dae and welcome back to another YouTube video.
You're watching Shalaya Dae. Today's for Shalaya Dae. Shalaya Dae. You're watching Shalaya Dae. Today's for Shalaya.
Hey guys, it's Shalaya Dae and welcome back to another YouTube video. So don't mind the background, I am washing and it's extremely loud, but I'm going to try to talk very loud over it so that you guys are able to hear me clear as day. So also do not mind my hair. I know I'm looking a little crazy, but you know what I'm saying. Y'all girls know the process. Y'all know the process. So today in this video, I am going to be installing a wig from Alibonnie Hair. So this is actually my first wig install that I've ever done for them. So I'm very intrigued and excited to see how this is going to turn out. So here is the bag and it says Alibonnie, and inside the bag it comes with a pair of lashes, an edge brush, and a wig band. So I really love when companies give out wig bands, and the main purpose is because it helps lay the lace better. I personally see the difference with the wig band, so I'm always excited when I see a freaking wig band in the bag. So I'm not going to use these two throughout the process to install this hair, but I will be using the wig band and of course the wig. So let's take the wig out of this bag to get a better look at what the wig really looks like and how it feels. So I really love the color. It's like kind of like an arbor and ginger type of look. I'm really loving the color. It's very bouncy as well. Like, look at the bounces, y'all. Look at the bounces. Very bouncy. It feels great. My hands are running straight through it. Wow, this feels really good. And then the lace itself. So the lace is pre-plucked. So I cannot wait to install this wig. This is a 26-inch body waved wig. So without talking your heads off, I'm going to begin the process of installing this wig.
Tell me what the f for lunch is. Your dinner both seem like the same to us. Jacket to your neck. I was trying to stress. You look at me in that dress. I expect nothing less. Chain keys swinging in your mouth. Got a chain stain and some cherry lip gloss. Can't lay your tears, so we move from state to state. Sipping on your stars, that's a lot of late. Look, turn around and bust it back. One time, give you this to relax. 2 times, waking up the clothes all over your apartment. Pearls on your neck, solving young on the carpet. Road trips to Nice, but we ain't going up to Greece. Baby, I'm the one you call the meaner in the streets. A lot of text messages that I wanna delete, but to get over this baby and I just copy the link. Tell me what the f for lunch is. Your dinner both seem like the same to us. Dracula to your neck. I was trying to stress. You look at me in that dress. I expect nothing less. Chain keys swinging in your mouth. Got a chain stain and some cherry lip gloves. 𝚕𝚅𝚝𝚎, so we move from state to state. Sipping on your stars, that's a lot of late. Look, turn around and bust it back. One time, give you this to relapse. Two times, waking up the clothes all over your apartment. Pearls on your neck, 𝚕𝚅𝚝𝚎 on the carpet. Road trips to Nice, but we ain't going up to Greece. Baby, I'm the one you call the meaner in the streets. A lot of text messages that I wanna delete, but to get over this baby and I just got to leave. Tell me what the f for lunch is. Your dinner both seem like the same to us. Dracula to your neck. I was trying to stress. You look at me in that dress. I expect nothing less. Chain keys swinging in your mouth. Got a chain stain and some cherry lip gloves. 𝚕𝚝𝚝𝚎, so we move from state to state. Sipping on your stars, that's a lot of late. Look, turn around and bust it back. One time, give you this to relapse. Two times, waking up the clothes all over your apartment. Pearls on your neck, 𝚕𝚅𝚝𝚎 on the carpet. Road trips to Nice, but we ain't going up to Greece. Baby, I'm the one you call the meaner in the streets. A lot of text messages that I wanna delete, but to get over this baby and I just got to leave.
this wig install and I absolutely love this hair. Like, y'all, look at how the process in general even went. Like, it was such a smooth, easy process. It looks so natural for a colored wig. Like, and it's super long. The 26 is giving like a 28 inch once it's straightened. I really, really love it. And also remember, guys, that this is a body waved wig, so whenever you straighten this type of hair, it can be curled once again. Do not think that you just lost the curls for all of eternity. This type of wig can be recurled in any type of style. So you guys, this is going to be the ending of the video. I'm very grateful to be sponsored by Alibonnie Hair. Definitely go and shop. All the links will be in the description below. But yes, guys, this is going to be the ending of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this wig install. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.
Shalaya Dae, you're watching Shalaya.